Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Please note that this video reflects my personal experience with the product. Today, we're taking a look at Private Internet Access, available at privateinternetaccess.com. PIA is a well-established virtual private network, VPN, provider known for its strong focus on privacy and security. Setting up an account with PIA is a straightforward process, generally requiring just an email address and payment information. They offer a range of subscription plans, allowing you to choose the option that best fits your budget and needs. One of the key advantages of using a VPN like PIA is the encryption it provides, shielding your online activity from prying eyes. This is particularly important when using public Wi-Fi networks, which are often vulnerable to security breaches. PIA employs robust encryption protocols to ensure your data remains confidential. Beyond encryption, PIA offers a variety of features designed to enhance your online privacy. This includes a strict no-logs policy, meaning they don't track or store your browsing history. They also offer protection against DNS leaks, which can expose your online activity even when using a VPN. Furthermore, PIA provides a kill switch feature, automatically disconnecting your internet connection if the VPN drops, preventing accidental data exposure. Server location is another important consideration when choosing a VPN. PIA boasts a vast network of servers spread across numerous countries, allowing you to choose a location that best suits your needs, whether it's for bypassing geo-restrictions or optimizing connection speeds. The PIA application is generally user-friendly and available on a wide range of devices, from desktop computers and laptops to smartphones and tablets. Connecting to a VPN server is typically a simple one-click process. Finally, PIA offers responsive customer support, readily available to assist you with any questions or issues you may encounter. While no VPN is perfect, Private Internet Access represents a solid option for individuals seeking to enhance their online privacy and security.